कि इंडियन क्रिकेट में दो ही ऐसी हस्तियां हैं जिनके नाम के बाद जो है जी लग जाता है। एक सनी जी और दूसरे डीडी जी।
The batting side, Rohit, Virat, again, two very huge names. I'm absolutely all right with Virat opening, but I'm saying that my point is how do you maximize the team?
Hello and welcome to episode 11 of Cricket with Sid. With me, I have a very close friend in the form of former India wicketkeeper batsman Deep Das Gupta.
It's coming, oh, it's coming.
Deep,
I said,
how are
I'm
you?
so glad to see you. So glad to see you after so long. I mean, it just brings back those amazing memories together. Good to see you, Sid.
Likewise, likewise. और मैं पहले सोच रहा था कि क्या एक अच्छी ओपनिंग लाइन, जब भी कोई गेस्ट आता है तो मैं खुद सोचता हूँ ऐसी नायाब सी कोई यूनिक सी लाइन। तो मैंने यही सोचा कि इंडियन क्रिकेट में दो ही ऐसी हस्तियां हैं जिनके नाम के बाद जो है जी लग जाता है। एक सनी जी और दूसरे डीडी जी।
ये मार खिलाएगा भाई। कहाँ कहाँ सनी जी और कहाँ मैं। नहीं नहीं यार, उनका भी अभी हाल ही में बर्थडे भी गया, so yeah, I'm so glad to be back and I'm so glad to speak with you there.
And I'm so looking forward to this session with you. And we would, without further ado, without any dawdling, we would just straight away get into action mode. And we'll be talking about the India-Sri Lanka series. Sabse pehle, what about the current state of affairs as far as Sri Lanka cricket is concerned, Deep? I mean, they just got whitewashed by England. They had contract issues. What do you make of it?
Yeah. Obviously, यार जो system है, it's not as robust as some of the other countries, and that's the reason they have this huge transition. And obviously, the cricket is also hit by a lot of these controversies, off the field controversies. फिर उनका क्रिकेट जो सिस्टम है वो अलग है। उनका सिस्टम जैसे हमारे यहाँ पे फर्स्ट क्लास क्रिकेट क्या होता है, हम स्टेट साइड्स होते हैं, राइट? इंग्लैंड में काउंटीज है, सेम विद ऑस्ट्रेलिया, लेकिन वहाँ पे क्लब्स हैं। अब जब क्लब्स होते हैं तो क्वालिटी ऑफ फर्स्ट क्लास क्रिकेट और इंटरनेशनल क्रिकेट में बहुत फर्क है। और क्या हो जाता है, जो आप फर्स्ट क्लास क्रिकेट वहां पे खेलते हो, क्योंकि क्लब लेवल का क्रिकेट है तो आपके नंबर्स वैसे इन्फ्लेटेड होते हैं। And now suddenly when you come to international cricket and your first class records are like, you know, bowling average of 16, batting average of 50, but suddenly international cricket is a huge difference. तो वो सिस्टम काफी हद तक इस पीछे 2-3 साल पहले, आई थिंक महिला एंड संगा when they retired,
Right.
They all wanted to change the system for whatever reason, वो हुआ नहीं है। वो भी चाहते थे कि वो zonal हिसाब से, as in territory के हिसाब से 6 टीम्स बनाए, you know, वैसे करके जैसे हमारे इंडिया में है।
Like, sorry to cut you over there, but when you say clubs, how many clubs do they have?
I think they have, I don't know the exact number, but they have quite a few clubs. So they have divisions also, first division, second division. लेकिन first division में मेरे ख्याल से कुछ 20-25-30 क्लब हैं।
That's a lot.
तो मतलब end of the day, हाँ यार, but my point is, तो इतने सारे क्लब हैं तो जो टैलेंट पूल है वो स्प्रेड हो जाता है, वो थिन हो जाता है। तो you know, so the numbers are very, you know, lopsided that way. You can't take them. तो कहीं ना कहीं आई थिंक वो सिस्टम जो है वो चेंज करने की जरूरत है, लेकिन whatever the internal reasons are, जैसे मैंने कहा, महिला संघा ने कोशिश बहुत की थी पीछे सिस्टम जो चेंज करने की, but that hasn't happened unfortunately.
अभी रिसेंटली बड़ा बवाल भी उठा था, अर्जुना रानाटुंगा ने ये बोला कि यू नो, इट्स अ मैटर ऑफ ग्रेट शेम कि इंडिया अपनी सेकंड स्ट्रिंग टीम भेज रही है वर्सेस श्रीलंका। अब आप इसको कैसे आंकते हैं? बिकॉज ये श्रीलंका की टीम वो श्रीलंका की टीम नहीं है जिसमें अर्जुना रानाटुंगा थे, जिसमें अरविंदा डिसिल्वा थे, जिसमें लसित मलिंगा थे, जिसमें जयवर्धने थे, जिसमें संगकारा थे। ये वो श्रीलंका की टीम है जो भी हाल ही में व्हाइट वॉश होके आई है इंग्लैंड के हाथों, versus an Indian team जो कि ठीक है, is not the first choice 11 or the first choice squad, but still it's a very very strong squad against the Sri Lanka team.
Still, it is a very very strong squad irrespective who the opposition is. लेकिन पहले let me address the first thing that you asked about. What Arjuna Ranatungga, I think he's one of the greatest captains that world cricket has seen.
Right.
You know, in the 90s, जहाँ से क्रिकेट को उठा के लेके गए श्रीलंकन क्रिकेट को, but unfortunately जब आप अपने country को represent करते हैं, you cannot be a second string team. I mean, either you represent a country or you don't represent a country. So if you're representing a country, you're good enough to be there, right? So I find it a little disrespectful, if I say, to call any player who's representing the country as a second string player or a part of a second string squad. That is what I believe. Like I said, अगर आप country के लिए खेल रहे हैं, you're good enough. That's the reason. Or secondly, if you look at that side, and both of us actually we were looking at that side, 15 log are capped. So technically, the people that you're missing are Virat, Bumrah, and Rohit. Big names. Please don't get me wrong. They are three biggest names in the Indian team and in world cricket. But I mean, apart from that, everyone else were there in the last series, right? You talk about Surya, you talk about Ishan, you talk about Shikhar, Prithvi. So I mean, bowling mein you have Bhuvi there, Bhuvi, Deepak Chahar, Rahul Chahar, and spinning. I mean, you have the best. I mean, the Indian spinners there.
Correct,
right?
correct.
So bowling side, apart from Bumrah, it's there. I mean, I still think this is a very, very good side.
In fact, let's quickly have a look at the squad also, Deep. You have Shikhar. I think in all probability, Shikhar and Shaw would be opening. But then, अगर आपको like to like replacement भी देखनी है, तो आपके पास गायकवाड और पडिक्कल हैं. अगर आपको middle order में देखना है, तो अगर नीतीश राणा है, जिनको शायद जो है first playing 11 में जगह ना मिले, सैमसन है. So there are almost 6 to 7 such spots or such slots जहाँ पे आपको एकदम like to like replacement मिलेगी. That just kind of speaks volumes about the strength of the squad.
Absolutely, और I think जो पिछले 6 महीने में the thing that has come to the fore is India's bench strength, right?
Right.
I mean since Australia series and even before that, everyone who's got an opportunity, whether it was Ishan, whether it was Surya, whether it was Krunal, I mean, they were absolutely brilliant. I mean, let's not even go to test match cricket. So, as you mentioned, I think there is enough, prowess in that squad to beat, like I said, beat any top side in the world, irrespective of Sri Lanka or Australia or England. I mean, it's that good a side, I think. Obviously, with those three coming in, it'll only make better, and Rishabh to a certain extent will only make this team better. But this, again, looks like a really good side to me.
Who are your favorites for this particular contest? Sri Lanka. I mean, अभी बात ये चल रही है कि हो सकता है श्रीलंका भी अपनी second string team खिला दे because of the prevailing COVID situation. I hope that doesn't happen. But अगर हम उसी team को लेके चलें जो अभी इंग्लैंड से हार के आ रही है, that team versus our squad or our team in Sri Lanka, who are your favorites?
India, undoubtedly. Call it whatever, but I still think this team is good enough to beat Sri Lanka. Unfortunately, it's like we've mentioned before. It's not the Sri Lankan side of the 90s, late 90s, or the 2000s, early 2000s. It's not that side. Internally, you touched upon the topic. They had contract issues, and काफी कुछ चल रहा है off the field. You got a new captain, and they've been changing captain like musical chairs चल रहा.
Correct.
So it's not. I mean, even if you just look at the quality also, मैं quality wise भी अगर देखूँ, forget all that, quality भी देखूँ तो उस हिसाब से भी मैं कहूँगा कि for me India are favorites in the series.
Your Indian 11 for the first match?
So Shikhar, Shaw, Surya, Ishan, Hardik. Then I'm going to look at also Sanju as well. Sanju, तो ये आपके हो गए 6. Then I'm going to look at number 7 पे Krunal.
Okay.
Krunal at number 7 as an all-rounder. So there's a Deepak Chahar, Bhuvi. Varun Chakravarti will play because there is a lot of thing going around with Varun Chakravarti. International level में अच्छा होगा तो World Cup के लिए उनको शायद देखा जाएगा. And and one more seamer. That could be Navdeep Saini or थोड़ा सा variation चाहिए तो Sakariya हैं. So yeah, so this roughly becomes my playing 11.
Now, World Cup को, World T20 को आप अगर if you keep that in the scheme of things, you would be having Rohit Sharma coming in, you would be having obviously Kohli coming in, Bumrah coming in. What, according to you, what are the slots, what are the spots rather, which are up for grabs for the World T20?
Said last series, Virat did mention that he would want to open or he would open.
And he did open, yeah.
He did open.
Yeah.
And he said that's kind of the plan is, but I still am not extremely convinced with that. It depends how the others perform from here till the World Cup. For example, if KL Rahul or Prithvi, Padikkal, Shikhar, they perform well enough, then there's a good chance that Rohit might open with one of them. Virat comes at 3. So that slot I think is still kind of fluid. And I also think that middle order Hardik will definitely be there at 6. I'm looking at that maybe at that 5, because if KL plays, then I don't know whether you're going to go with Rishabh or not. So I think then talking about the bowling side, I think you still have Rahul Chahar, who's made a very, very strong start to his international career. But you can't count Yuzi Chahal out of the scene as yet. So मेरे ख्याल से वहाँ पे एक फाइट होगा, दोनों में से कोई एक खेलेंगे bowling में, और वरुण चक्रवर्ती के ऊपर I think that another spinner is that place. So bowling में अगर आप देखें, Bhuvi is fit and Bumrah is fit, ये दोनों तो हैं. Hardik becomes your 6th bowling option. The bowling side is a little more options available for the bowlers is what I read.
But just to be on the devil's advocate, you said Virat should come and bat at number 3. They also mentioned that in T20 cricket, because time is less, you rather have your best batsman play maximum number of overs. And that's why the theory of Virat opening with Rohit Sharma. And if that is the case, then obviously you can slot probably at number 3 an Ishan Kishan, at number 4 probably an Iyer, number 5. What do you have to say about that theory?
In that case, if somebody you see, because you have to take calculative risks in T20, especially in the first 6 overs. So you want Virat to take those risks early, or he plays in the middle and finishes the game off. So my point is, where do you see more value for Virat and his skill set? So while I'm saying that yes, he should open, I'm also saying this, that I don't mind him seeing at 3 if there is someone who's in good form, one of the openers in good form. I don't mind seeing him at 3.
Now I know you are a huge football fan as well, और आज रात है यूरो कप फाइनल, इंग्लैंड वर्सेस इटली. मैं बड़ी कमाल की फोटो देख रहा था जिसमें स्प्लिट स्क्रीन में 2 डाइव्स लगाई थी. एक तो जिसके चलते इंग्लैंड को पेनल्टी मिली, वो डाइव थी, और दूसरी बेन स्टोक्स की डाइव थी. और ये मेंशन किया था, द 2 डाइव्स दैट सेव्ड इंग्लैंड द
आज सवेरे मैं किसी से बात कर रहा था about Sterling का dive and all that. I said, listen यार, with VR and referees there, you can't blame the players anymore, right? I mean, the referee has that option of showing a yellow card अगर आपको लगता है कि that was simulated, that dive. और वहाँ पे से VR था यार, VR के रहते हुए अगर आप दे रहे हो तो फिर बस then the player is not to be blamed. I mean, I still understand. If you're a Denmark fan, obviously you'll feel bad. But yeah, bottom line was, neutrals like us, you want a good game. And I thought it was a fabulous game of football. And I'm expecting the finals to be equally good. I really like the way Italy are playing, very aggressive, attacking. England also very attacking and fearless. I think it's going to be a great game, great finals.
But no sitting on the fence. You have to tell me who's winning. Who's winning?
I'd go with England there. Yeah. I'd go with England actually.
It's coming home, or it's going to Rome.
It's coming home. It's coming.
I saw another picture. There was a meme in which the VAR was getting handled by the Queen.
Oh. then you can't blame VAR.
So guys, that was Deepdas Gupta. I hope you had great fun. कुछ कमाल की insights आपको मिले, कुछ analysis आपको यहाँ पे मिले on this episode 11 of Cricket with Sid. That's it from me and from Deep. Until next time, goodbye.